In this edutainment experiment, we use a masterpiece of the Italian culture to teach chemistry and stimulate the inquiry-based learning. Firstly, in the fresco, we meet Pythagoras, who taught the doctrine of the four elements. Pythagoras is also the father of the musical theory. The first element is fire. Chemistry produces a synesthesia. Electromagnetic waves from red and violet flames mimic musical sound waves of the octave interval, introduced by Pythagoras, produced by a theremin. We explain the principles of optical emission and its usefulness for the analysis of metal pollution. The second element, according to Pythagoras, is air. We know that air is not an element, but a mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, and other minor components, and we emphasize their crucial role. On the stage, we produce a flow of oxygen and liquid nitrogen. The notes of Vivaldi's Wind captivate the public. Earth and water are respectively the third and the fourth elements according to the Pythagoras doctrine. While listening to ancestral rhythms, we simulate the separation of the earth from the waters, typical of many cosmogonies. The chemical transformation is the Winkler's reaction made aesthetically captivating. We now meet Aristotle. He described the seven heavens. They were thought to produce the harmony of the universe, and much later Kepler, in his book Harmonices Mundi, wrote notes whose pitch is proportional to the velocity of the planet during the aphelion and perihelion. Each planet is connected to a classical divinity and to a metal. We focus on Venus, the goddess of beauty and love, born in Cyprus, the island of copper. You have seen the formation of a copper hydroxide while listening to Kepler's notes for Venus. Epicurus is the father of atomism. We observe the fascinating reactions of what he considers the ultimate, perennial, and indivisible units of matter, the atoms. The different kinds of matter in the universe originate from their motion in the vacuum, their different weights, their change of direction, their collisions. Federico Gonzaga, the mentor of Raphael, abdicated to embrace alchemy. He is next to another alchemist, Averroes. The science-on-stage performance of alchemy is a eulogy of this pre-scientific form of chemistry, since curiosity about matter and its transformations has been fundamental to observe new phenomena, and observation is the first stage of any scientific rationalization. We celebrate these spectacular and useful reactions with the Sorcerer's Apprentice notes by Dukas. we show the Lantern of Diogenes, illuminated by a chemoluminescent reaction. He coined the word cosmopolitism, which echoes in Beethoven's Ode to Joy, that is also the anthem of Europe. Signs, like music, are cosmopolitan languages for the citizens of the world. The shown reactions are replicable textbook knowledge. Italian art is an original tool to teach science. The emotional energy of the live performance helps rationalize the theory of chemistry. Students learn to cooperate, and this is essential for informal learning. The performance is a stimulus for the spread of the chemical culture in recalcitrant humanistic environments affected by chemophobia.